Ciao, I'm Chiara from filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful summer bag with summer flower granny square. It's a nice and very easy project, perfect for beginners. For this project I will use 3 different colors of mantra from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And a 7mm hook. Now we're going to create a summer flower granny square. This is the video tutorial I've made. You can find the link in the info box below. So now let's repeat it together. So first grab the yellow yarn, then we do a magic ring. Chain 1, then we do 8 single crochet inside the circle. And now pull the tail end to close the ring, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, now we are ready to create the first petal of the flower using the popcorn stitch. So first chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 4 double crochets more in the same space. So now remove your hook from the last stitch and insert it into the top of the beginning chain 3. Insert your hook into the last stitch, then pull the last stitch through the top of the chain 3. And this is the first petal, the first popcorn stitch. So now chain 2. Then we do another popcorn into the next stitch. So we do 5 double crochets. So now remove the hook from the last stitch and insert it into the first double crochet of the 5 double crochets group. Insert your hook into the last double crochet and pull it through the first double crochet. So now we have the second petal. Chain 2 and repeat this in each stitch all around. Chain 2, then join with a slip stitch into the first popcorn stitch. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we grab the light blue color, then insert it into one of the chain 2 space of the flower. So now chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 2 double crochets in the same space. Chain 1, and now we're going to create the first corner, so we move into the next space where we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets into the same space. Now chain 1, then we move into the next space where we do another set of 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and now we are going to create the second corner, so we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets in the same space. And continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this round. Chain 1, then join with a slip stitch into the third chain. So now chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do another 2 double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, then we move into the next space here where we do another set of 3 double crochets. Okay, chain 1, and now we are going to increase here in the first corner, so we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, chain 1, then we do another set of 3 double crochets in the next space. Chain 1, then we do another set of 3 double crochets into the next space. So remember, we will do just 1 chain on each side and 2 chains in each corner. So continue to do this until the end of this round. chain 1, then join with the slip stitch into the third chain. Okay. So now we cut the yarn, then weave the tails using a tapestry needle. Okay, all we have to do now is to create a total of 18 summer flower granny square. I will use the yellow yarn for each flower in the middle and the light blue and the green yarn for the granny part. Of course, you can choose every color you prefer. Here's a diagram, and as you can see, I will make 2 identical panels, so I will create 5 squares with green yarn and 4 squares with light blue for each panel. You can download the PDF file if you want. You can find the link in the info box below. Okay, now we're ready to sew each panel. So first place the first 9 granny squares as the diagram, then sew each granny square together with leftover yarn and using a tapestry needle. So place 2 pieces of your flower granny square with the wrong side facing in front of you, then sew it together. Work back and forth between the square and continue to do this following the diagram. Okay, the first panel is done. Here I have the second I've made earlier, so place the panel with the wrong side facing in front of you, then sew along this line as we did before. Okay, now turn the bag inside out, and now we're going to create a nice finish around the upper part. I choose the green yarn, so insert the hook here in the side, then insert the color. Chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. I suggest to place a marker into the first single crochet. So now pay attention, when you are between 2 granny squares, I suggest to do 1/2 double crochets to have a straighter line, then continue to do 1 single crochet all the way around. Now remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now we're going to do 3 more rounds of single crochet all the way around. So chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet, and I will do a total of 3 rounds. And now we're going to do one last round with the slip stitch all the way around. And now cut the yarn, then grab the tapestry needle, then close the round in this way. And now we are ready to sew the wooden handles on the bag. I place some clips to help me, and I use a tapestry needle and leftover yarn to sew each handle on the bag. Of course, do the same with the other handle. The summer flower mantra bag is now complete. I would love to see your summer bag and the different colors that you choose for yours, so remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!